Number 3 says you launch a ball at 45 degrees on the moon. So this is different than Earth. My guess is it's going to go farther. There's not as much gravity on the moon as there is on Earth. So my guess, I'm actually going to compare it to the problem I did right up here. I bet it's in the air longer, I bet it goes higher, and I bet it goes farther. An interesting note is there is an astronaut who smuggled up a golf club on the moon when he was up there, and he had a golf ball to see it go farther, faster, higher. It's pretty cool. All right, on the moon. Let's see. I'm shooting it again at 45 degrees, 100 meters per second. That's kind of nice when I break it down into my x and y components. I already did it on the problem above, so it's 70.7, 70.7. So I break it into my vertical and horizontal components, VI, VF, ATD, velocity, distance, and time. So vertically, the initial velocity is 70.7. The acceleration on the moon is negative 1.6 meters per second squared. I just looked that up on the internet. The horizontal velocity is the same. My final velocity, again, I'll utilize this point right there. So I'll just plug it into VF equals VI plus AT. VF 0 equals 70.7 plus negative 1.6 times the time t. So you take 70.7 divided by 1.6, and you get 44.2. Now it takes 44.2 seconds to get to the top, so it's going to be 88.4. How long is it in the air? 88.4 seconds. That's like a minute and 30. That's like a minute and a half. Originally it was only 14 seconds, so holy cow, this is in the air a long, long time. How high does it go? I would use D equals VIAT plus 1 half AT squared. Initial velocity 70.7, time 44.2 plus 1 half negative 1.6, and the time 44.2 squared. So I just cranked that through my calculator. And I get 1560. So it goes 1,560 meters high. 1,600 meters is a mile. So this thing goes like a mile high. Literally 1 mile high. How far does it go? Well, the time it takes to go from here to here is 88.4. So if I do a velocity equals distance over time, the velocity being 70.7, the time is 88.4. The distance comes out to be pretty big. 6,250. If I divide that by 1,600, just for kicks and giggles, it comes out to 4 miles. How far does this go? 4 miles. 6,250 meters. Or 3.9 miles. Crazy, crazy, crazy.